Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn maximum number of subarray. Okay, so maximum number of the distinct subarray with the lead code. Okay, so problem number is 2461. So you can see here. Yeah. Mhm. So you are given integer array numbers and integers k. Find the maximum subarray of the R string. Some of the all the sub array of the number that meet the following condition. The length of the subarray is k and the element of the subarray are distinct. Distinct means they don't have any duplicates value. So each are different. Return the maximum subarray number of all the subarray that meet the condition. If no subarray meet the condition, return 0. Subarray is a I mean subarray is a not empty sequence of the element with an array. Contiguous. Okay, so number equals to, if you have number like that and k equals to 3 like window side, then output you got 15. Explanation: the subarray of the number with the length of 3 154 which meet the requirement and has a sum of the 10 154. Now we have left this one and took 542 and the sum is 11. Okay, and now I need to left 4 5 this one, remove 5 and we can take 4 to 9. Okay, the sum of these 3 15 and now we took 299, so 299 which does not meet the requirement because the element 9 is repeated. Okay, after that we took 999, so 999 which does not meet the requirement and the element 9 is repeated. We return the 15 because it is the maximum subarray sum of the all the subarray that meet the condition. Okay, so if you have input like this 444 k equals to 3 and output 0, the subarray of the number with the length are 3 or 4 which does not meet the requirement because the element 4 is repeated. We return 0 because no subarray meet the condition. Okay, so we can see solution. This is the class and this is the function. In this function we already have argument number and k window size and numbers. This one. Okay, so window sum and answer means maximum sum, both are equals to 0 and window equals to set to remove duplicates value and left index is equals to 0, left pointer of the sliding window equals to 0. Okay, so for the right in range length number, okay, if the right number already exists in the window, okay, so we can shrink the window while by using while loop. So if while number right in the window, if new added number is present in window, then we can remove it from the left side. Okay, because we already remove from here like 299, so we have removed it 299 and 99, we remove 2 here and we took 9999. Okay, and after that window sum like window sum shrink from the left and window sum also minimize after that, and left we can increase by 1, and after that add the current element in the window. So window dot add number of right, so we can add element in the window from right side. Okay, if the window size equals to k, so right minus left plus 1 equals to k, so we can update our answer equals to max answer in window sum. So remove window, I mean swing from left to the move forward, window dot to move number from left, window num, window equals to sum, I mean window sum in which we subtract some numbers from the left and add left add from the 100 and answer. Okay, so now we are going to convert it. Okay guys, bye bye, take care, please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you.